Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a PowerPoint template. To create a PowerPoint template, you can do the following. Open your presentation. Customize the slide master and layouts. Go to the File tab, click on Save As, select Browse. Then, select Save As type, choose PowerPoint template. Give the name of the file, if needed. Click on Save. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.